Keep your hair neat and trimmed. Regular haircuts or trims can help keep your hair looking its best. You may want to experiment with different hairstyles and products to find what works best for you. Take care of your skin. A good skincare routine can help prevent breakouts, wrinkles, and other skin problems. This may include cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and using sunscreen. Maintain good hygiene. This includes brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing, and using mouthwash. Additionally, make sure to shower regularly and use deodorant to control body odor. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Dirty or unkempt nails can be unsightly and unhygienic. Trim your nails regularly and keep them clean. Invest in quality grooming tools. A good razor, clippers, and grooming products can make a big difference in the quality of your grooming routine. Consider a beard or mustache. If you have facial hair, make sure to keep it well groomed. This may include trimming, shaping, and using beard oil or balm to keep it soft and shiny. Stay fit and healthy. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and plenty of sleep can all contribute to a healthy, attractive appearance.